Welcome to Adaptive IELTS. Today we'll explore the word abuse, a term that's particularly relevant for IELTS Writing Task 2 essays and Speaking Part 3 responses. This word is essential when discussing topics like social issues, environmental concerns, and resource management. Let's start with pronunciation. Abuse can be pronounced in two ways depending on its use. As a noun or verb, it's pronounced abuse with stress on the second syllable. Let's practice with this sentence. Many organizations work to prevent the abuse of natural resources. Notice how the stress falls on abuse. When used as a verb, it's pronounced abuse, with stress on the second syllable. For example, we must not abuse our privileges. Here, the stress is also on abuse. Let's practice both forms again. Understanding the meaning is crucial for IELTS success. Abuse has several related meanings. 1. To use something improperly or excessively, verb. 2. To treat someone or something with cruelty or violence. 3. The improper use of something, noun. 4. Mistreatment of a person or group, noun. In academic contexts, it's often used to discuss the improper use of resources, power, or rights. Abuse appears in several forms, as a verb to abuse, noun abuse, adjective, abusive, and adverb, abusively. The past tense and past participle form is abused. Common phrases include abuse of power, abuse of rights, and substance abuse. To vary your vocabulary, consider these alternatives: misuse, verb; exploit, verb; mishandle, verb; take advantage of, phrase; misapply, verb. For writing task 2, sophisticated alternatives include misappropriate and pervert. Use this word effectively in various contexts. Discussing environmental issues. Many countries abuse their natural resources. Addressing social problems, child abuse is a serious concern worldwide. Analyzing power dynamics, some leaders abuse their authority. Remember to consider both the noun and verb forms in your responses. Let's boost your natural fluency with these powerful word combinations. Common collocations include abuse of power, abuse of authority, abuse of trust, abuse of rights, sexual abuse, substance abuse, emotional abuse, physical abuse, systematic abuse, widespread abuse. Writing task 2 example. The abuse of natural resources has led to severe environmental degradation. Speaking part 3 example. To prevent the abuse of technology, we need to establish clear guidelines. Another writing task 2 example. Governments must take strict measures to prevent the abuse of public funds. Now it's your turn to practice. Complete these sentences. 1. Many organizations work to prevent the blank of human rights. 2. The blank use of pesticides can harm the environment. 3. Some companies blank their market position to eliminate competition. 4. There has been a significant increase in blank cases reported last year. 5. We must not blank our privileges in any situation. Abuse, abusive, abuse, abuse. Your homework. 1. Write a paragraph about preventing the abuse of natural resources. 2. Find and summarize an article about abuse in the workplace. 3. Create 5 sentences using different collocations with abuse from today's lesson. 4. Write a short essay about the abuse of technology and its consequences. Here are some pro tips to boost your IELTS score. For writing task 2, use abuse when discussing environmental protection, corporate responsibility, or social issues. In speaking part 3, incorporate phrases like abuse of power or abuse of resources when discussing authority and responsibility. Remember to use the word appropriately and consider both its negative and preventive aspects. Today we've explored the word abuse in detail. This term is essential for discussing improper use, exploitation, and mistreatment in IELTS tasks. Remember to practice using both the noun and verb forms, along with their collocations, to enhance your responses. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.